Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to disable permissions for in-app notifications on the Pinterest app for PC, especially if you're using the new update. If you'd like to stop those pop-up notifications from distracting you while you browse, this is the perfect walkthrough for you. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, look over to the left side menu, where you'll find various options. One of these is Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories to customize your experience. What you want next is the Notifications section. Click here to open all notification-related controls. Now that you're in Notifications, scroll down carefully until you reach the Permissions area. This section controls which types of notifications Pinterest is allowed to show within the app itself. If you don't want those in-app notifications popping up anymore, simply disable the toggle switch next to in-app. This will stop Pinterest from interrupting you with alerts while you're browsing. After toggling off the in-app notifications, don't forget one last important step. Click Save. This ensures that your change is properly applied and will stay set the way you want it the next time you open Pinterest. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled in-app notification permissions on Pinterest for PC with the latest update. This little adjustment can help create a smoother, less interrupted experience, letting you focus on discovering ideas without constant alerts. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to tweak your notification settings again. Thanks for watching.